Hi friends, this is Vijay Ratnam, Assistant Commandant and a trainee CRPF. I secured 252 All India rank in 2018 CRPF AC exam conducted by UPSC. I am here to give some insights about this exam, what the pattern, what this post exactly means, because most of the aspirants who found about the uniform services like to join police services and armed services like army, navy, air force, are less aware about this service. Uh, that is the reason I am here to give some insights about this post. This post being called as assistant commandant. The UPSC every year, almost every year, on parallel with the civil services examination, conducting for the post of assistant commandant in various organizations like CRPF, CISF, BSF, ITBP, SSB. Who selected for this post, they will get one organization among all these. The main goal of this post means the main role of this post is suppose if you get BSF, you will be on border. You are on the front line defenders to the nation. If you get CISF, you are the security officers in the vital installations in infrastructure of the nation. If you get SSB, you are you will be posted in Indo-Nepal border, like that. So I, being an assistant commandant in CRPF, before going into the pattern of the exam, I would like to give the what exactly means, what is the role of the assistant commandant in CRPF. First of all, in CRPF, as an officer, you will deal with the internal security of this nation, like terrorism, Naxalism, insurgency. So being an officer, you have a lot of responsibility how to tackle these three issues mainly. Besides that, the broad gamut of the duties are like a counter-terrorism, counter-insurgency, dealing with left-wing extremism and crowd control management, riot control, VIP security, guarding vital installations, securing critical infrastructure, social outreach program, healthcare outreach, and the rear area security during wartime. Besides that, you will get the opportunity to serve in the United Nations peacekeeping missions, and then disaster response also. So this is a huge role as an assistant commandant you have to play in the nation building. So I would like all the aspirants, this is one of the best uniform service, one of the best to serve the nation, and as a nation building. So I am encouraging the aspirants to take this opportunity as a very serious, because year by year the competition for the CRPF exam is increasing, so that is the best time to take a decision about this. The promotional aspects of assistant commandant is increasing, because if you are starting your career as an assistant commandant, if you started at the age of 21 or 22, by the time you retire, definitely you will become ADG of CRPF, definitely. Or else if you start at the age of 25, 26, definitely you will be retired as a IG. So the promotional aspects and the career growth in CRPF is huge. As the time is going, the future of the assistant commandant is increasing day by day.